I'm going to show you how to fold this garment. It's a hooded sweatshirty, very light sweatshirt material. First thing I would do is zip it so that it's a little bit more manageable. That way you have something that's closed that you can grab onto to try and create an edge. You spread it out, trying to find the flats of everything, where everything can make it flat, including the hood, which there are different ways to handle the actual hood itself. You can do little things like just fold and twist, or you can put it inside of itself, flat, and then over, which is what we're doing on this one. There. Okay. In this case, I'm going to fold it in towards itself, which is something I don't typically do, but just for this time I will. You fold it over so that you have a flat edge here. You can take the sleeve and pull it down. I should say that you're taking the sleeve and folding it outward away from the body. The top of your arm would be here. This is where your garment's top of the arm is, and that might explain it a little better for people who might have missed something. I'm pushing the sleeve up there, the cuff up here. We're doing the same thing with this side. I'm just trying to make a neat package and finding the seams and trying to make sure that things are straight. There. Now, this is where we had the arm before, where I said I pulled it down over itself, sort of. And you just try and get things to be kind of flat, because when you are finished, you're going to put it away and you want it to try and not get wrinkles, try to avoid wrinkles. Now, on this particular garment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it away from itself here, because that will put pressure on the front and keep it from wrinkling as badly as if it had been on the inside, where it would press on itself in the wrong places and then it really would wrinkle. And the hood is going to be just out the back, or you could tuck it in your previous fold. This to me is the best way, because a hood can be a little bit wrinkled. It'll come right out if you do get a wrinkle from this. So there's your garment. So in the next segment, I will be folding another piece of clothing.